Today, to dehydrate the cilantro, we're going to be using the Presto Digital Electric Food Dehydrator. Okay, so I have all of the cilantro in the pan. I'm ready to wash it. I'm going to wash it with some cold water and a half a cup of vinegar. Make sure it's clean. You turn on the water, and add in the vinegar. I'll just kind of get it all wet so it can get washed real good. Rinsing it in this vinegar water, so if there's anything on here, it'll get it nice and clean. So now that the cilantro is all rinsed off in the vinegar water, I spread it out on some paper towels. We're going to let it dry real well, and then we will put it in the dehydrator. Okay, so now we have all 6 trays with the cilantro. We'll put the lid on it. And we'll start it. Okay, so the timer and the temperature is set. Now we just have to wait 4 hours and see how our cilantro looks. Okay, the cilantro's all dried. Now we're just going to start putting it in the jars. Some of these stems I'm picking out. We have plenty of dried cilantro now for seasoning. Lots and lots of it. Out of 6 racks in my dehydrator, I ended up with 2 jars of dried cilantro.
Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel. Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel.